Scientists now know that the human brain continues to undergo critical development throughout adolescence into the mid-20s. Brain development progresses from back to front, with areas in the back, such as those involved in vision and physical coordination, developing more quickly than areas in the front. The prefrontal cortex in the front, which is responsible for higher-level functions such as organization, planning, self-control, emotional regulation, and judgment, is the last to finish maturing. For the prefrontal cortex to do these things well, its connections to other parts of the brain involved in emotional and impulsive behavior need to be strengthened so that the brakes could be quickly applied when needed. This brain connectivity, which makes up the brain's information superhighway, is still developing in adolescence, so a teen's ability to control his or her emotions and impulses or make sound decisions is not the same as an adult's. That is why teens are more likely to impulsively try dangerous things, such as speed on a motorcycle or experiment with alcohol or drugs. It also turns out that teens may feel more of a high than adults when they do things that are highly pleasurable and get more quickly hooked on those things, because areas in the middle of the brain that make up the reward pathway and memory system are developing rapidly during adolescence. The brain's memory and reward systems make us remember and want to do again and again the things that give us pleasure, such as eat delicious food or have a good time with friends. Using drugs is like taking a shortcut and getting a counterfeit high, rather than the natural high that comes from pleasures such as winning a hard-fought game or doing well on a test. The memory of that intense, easy high from drugs is implanted in the brain and makes a person crave it, possibly for life. This is what causes addiction.